We all need small amounts of hot water for washing and cleaning. Loft conversions, cloakrooms, utility rooms, home offices, granny annexes, cafes and small industrial units are just a few places where Regent electric water heaters can be installed. The Regent water heater is of the unvented type, and this means it's designed to be connected directly to a mains-fed water supply. The Regent water heater is powered by a 13-amp outlet. No special taps are required, and the hot water produced is supplied at equal pressure to the mains water supply to the water heater. The Regent water heater is under sink, so it can be housed in a cupboard. Alan is going to install the water heater in an existing kitchen unit within a stable block that currently has no hot water. So just how simple are they to install? Each Regent water heater is supplied with dielectric couplings. These protect the unit against corrosion, a wall mounting bracket and a pressure relief safety valve. The water heater is pre-wired for the final electrical connection. UK regulations currently permit unvented water heaters with a capacity up to 15 litres to accommodate any expansion in the supply pipework. However, this depends on the proximity of the water heater to the cold water draw-off, and an expansion kit or pressure-reducing valve may be required. These are available separately. After familiarising yourself with the installation book and clearing the site, the first step is to turn off the mains water supply. Next is to tee into the water supply for the connection to the Regent water heater. Here, Alan has prepared a new section of pipework with a tee and isolation valve. It's important to use a valve that will not prevent reverse flow, such as the ball valve shown here. Next, Alan is going to position the water heater in situ and mark the wall for fixing the mounting bracket. It's important to ensure the surface is suitable to support the water heater and weight of water. Once the wall mounting bracket position is level and marked, make holes in the wall using an appropriate drill bit. Insert appropriate fixings for the wall type and screw the mounting bracket into position using suitable screws. Offer the water heater onto the wall mounting bracket and push down. Once secure on the bracket, remove the protective caps on the inlet and outlet. The next step is to work out the position of the pressure relief safety valve. This has a discharge pipe that needs to be run to a safe location outside. To do this, Alan is going to temporarily screw on the dielectric coupling and female elbow to the inlet of the water heater to assist in marking the position for the discharge pipework. Once the position has been marked, Alan has taken the water heater off the mounting bracket to make the hole through the wall for the discharge pipework. As the 15mm discharge pipe is passing through the wall, it is best practice to sleeve this using a larger diameter tube. Here, a section of overflow pipe has been used. Next is to prepare the Regent water heater for the plumbing connection and fit the dielectric couplings. The male half-inch threads on the water heater need to be generously wound with PTFE tape. Then screw on the dielectric couplings to the inlet and outlet of the water heater. The half-inch male threads of the dielectric couplings then need to be wound with PTFE tape, and then a half-inch female connection can be added. Alan is using elbow versions here. Once the connections are in position, locate the Regent back on the wall mounting bracket. Next, Alan is going to connect the pipework to the hot outlet using a section of 15mm copper tube and a suitable braided hose flexi-tap connector. In most cases, the Regent water heater can be installed without any expansion controls, as long as there's nothing to prevent the reverse flow of water and that this expansion water does not enter the feed pipe to a cold draw-off. Now to complete the pipework and connect the discharge. Alan is using end feed solder fittings here, but it's possible to use compression fittings too. The discharge pipework must have a continuous fall and terminate in a safe position. Alan has extended the pipework to discharge into an existing gully. Now the pipework is finished, Alan turns on the isolation valve. Next, Alan turns on the hot tap and allows any air to pass through. The electrical connection is via a 13-amp spur. In most cases, a standard switched fused spur is sufficient. However, due to the location, Alan has opted for an RCD version for additional protection. To start the commissioning process, Alan first checks for leaks. Next on the commissioning list is to check the operation of the pressure relief safety valve and confirm that water is discharged correctly and safely. Switch on the electrical supply. The temperature adjustment knob is set to the E position for maximum economy, and then Alan allows the Regent water heater to heat up the stored water. Once the heating lamp on the fascia panel has extinguished, the hot water has reached the desired temperature. Alan opens the hot tap once more to confirm that the hot water is available. Finally demonstrate to the user, and the installation is complete.